It's 2025, and you still don't have clear, flawless, glowing skin? Watching K-dramas and crying, thinking how they have flawless skin even without makeup? Watch the video till the end because it's as interesting as your crush on BTS's V, Han Seo-jun, Vincenzo, or other dreamy Korean male leads. This video is divided into skincare tips, diet and lifestyle, physical activity, and bonus tips. Watch till the end so you don't miss any tips. 1. Skincare. Koreans follow a 12-step skincare routine, and their products are so expensive. So, how can you get flawless skin like them, but on a budget? Worry not, your sis is here. You just need to follow a few steps with consistency. Double cleanse. If you don't want to invest in an oil-based cleanser, the best alternative is raw milk. Gentle cleanser. After cleaning with raw milk, wash your face with a face wash that suits your skin. Toner. Toner is basically used to balance the pH of your skin, like you try to balance your K-drama man and reality. They usually use products that are rice-infused. You can make rice water toner at home too. Serums. Serums are totally optional. If you think your skin needs it, only then invest in it, or else you can skip. Moisturizer. The weather is usually cold there, so their main goal is to keep their skin soft and hydrated. Choose a moisturizer with ceramides or peptides as it keeps skin soft, hydrated, and helps protect the skin barrier. One of the best alternatives is Boroline, an Indian gem for Indian skin. SPF. SPF is as important as your dilemma of dreaming of a K-drama man. Choose an SPF of 30 or 50++ with broad spectrum protection, as it keeps skin protected against UV rays. Don't skip it, even if the weather is cloudy. Weekend skincare tips. Exfoliation. You don't need to exfoliate every day. Doing it once or twice a week is enough. You can use a coffee or rice scrub. If using a rice scrub, add just raw milk and a tip of honey for more nourishment. Face mask. If your skin doesn't like clay masks, the best alternatives are rice masks or aloe vera and green tea masks. Lip care. To get soft lips, scrub Vaseline and sugar for 1 to 2 minutes, then lock in moisture by applying Desi Ghee, Boroline, or Vaseline on your lips. How to layer your skincare. AM routine. Toner. Serum, optional. Eye cream, optional. Moisturizer. SPF. PM routine. Double cleanser. Cleanser. Toner. Serum, optional. Eye cream, optional. Spot cream, if using. Moisturizer. Reality check. 30% of clear skin comes from skincare, but the remaining 70% is from diet and lifestyle, which are the foundation of healthy skin. So, follow a healthy diet and lifestyle in addition to skincare. 2. Diet and lifestyle. Their diet is amazing. Koreans usually eat fermented food and drink probiotics to keep their gut clean, which ultimately reflects on their skin. Kimchi is one of the famous fermented foods, but how can you add fermented food to your diet? Remember our nanny Dottie making congee? It's a fermented drink infused with Indian masala and the goodness of carrots. Or you can go with amla juice. Add curd to your diet, it's the best probiotic. Make sure your diet is rich in protein, fiber, and carbs. Bonus addition, try adding buttermilk to your diet. It's great for digestion and will keep your skin looking fresh and glowing. Not only their diet, but their lifestyle is also a reason for their amazing skin. Good sleeping schedule, make sure to get at least 7 hours of sleep. Beauty sleep is really effective. When you sleep, your skin repairs itself better, so make sure to take proper sleep. Stay hydrated, they drink a lot of water. Try to drink at least 3 liters a day to keep your skin hydrated. Herbal teas. Incorporate green tea into your diet, it's rich in antioxidants and great for weight loss and overall health. 3. Physical activity. They keep their health a priority, and you should too. Try to do at least 30 minutes of exercise every day, or try yoga or walking to improve your overall physical health. Physical activity points. Exercise. 30 minutes of daily exercise, whether yoga, walking, or any other form of movement, improves your overall health. Meditation. When you wake up, don't use your phone. Just meditate for 5 to 10 minutes in bed to start your day with a calm mind. Drink water. After meditation, drink a glass of water to hydrate your body before starting your day. Get ready for the day. After your exercise or yoga, take a bath, follow your skincare routine, and don't skip breakfast and meals. Bonus tips you're waiting for. Cold spoon. If you get puffy eyes in the morning, just use cold spoons on your eyes. Put 2 spoons in your freezer, and in the morning, use them. For better results, use them at night too. Sleep on your back. Sleeping on your back prevents your skincare products from transferring to your pillow. Sleeping with your face on the pillow can make your skin come into contact with dirt, which may lead to acne. Tapping. The Korean technique of tapping helps with better absorption of skincare products and increases blood circulation. But be careful. Don't slap your face too hard like the K-drama villains do, just a gentle tap or press with your fingertips. Slow and steady wins the glow. My super technique: apply aloe vera gel on your lashes. If you have any acne, you can also apply Boroline on it as it has antiseptic properties. Lastly, while doing your skincare, make sure your hands are clean. When layering your skincare, give each product 1 minute to absorb before applying the next.